Can you modify a postnuptial agreement after life changes? Imagine you and your spouse made a postnuptial agreement when you first got married, but now your lives have changed. Maybe one of you lost a job, or you inherited a family property. You might wonder if you can update that agreement to match your new situation. The good news is, yes, you can change a postnuptial agreement after significant life events. But there are some important steps to follow to make sure the changes are valid and hold up in court. First, any modifications must be in writing. You cannot just agree verbally and assume it's enough. Both of you need to sign a written document that clearly states what is changing. This helps prevent misunderstandings later on. Second, both spouses must agree to the changes freely. No one should feel pressured or coerced into signing an update. Mutual consent is key. Next, full financial disclosure is necessary. Both of you need to share all relevant financial information honestly. This ensures that the agreement remains fair and transparent. The process should follow the same legal formalities as the original agreement, which often includes notarization and sometimes independent legal advice for each spouse. This helps protect both parties and makes the modification more enforceable. Courts will look at whether the changes are fair and reasonable. If one spouse is trying to make a very one-sided update, especially during stressful times, a court might not approve it. If the change is significant, like a major increase in assets or a job loss, it is more likely to be accepted. Sometimes, a family law judge may need to approve the modification for it to be legally binding. It is important to remember that postnuptial agreements cannot decide issues about child custody or child support. Family courts prioritize the best interests of the children, and those matters are handled separately. If you want to modify your postnuptial agreement, consulting a family law attorney is a smart move. They can help draft the amendment properly and make sure it meets all legal requirements. This way, you avoid future disputes and ensure your updated agreement reflects your current life situation. In short, a postnuptial agreement is not set in stone. It can be changed after life changes, as long as the modifications are written, agreed upon by both spouses, fair, and legally approved. This flexibility allows couples to keep their financial arrangements aligned with their evolving lives.